Chasing the highs, girl, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna finally get up, cause I'm not giving up on my dream.
Hey gorgeous people, I all hope you're well and welcome back to another video. So today I thought I'd share with you what I eat in a day. I haven't done one of these in a long time, but if you're new here, I actually made some goals at the start of the year, which were sort of a roll on from last year's goals within my health, eating more healthy and nutritious food, fueling my body, and I'm really putting that into drive at the moment. I really want to see some changes and really know what I'm putting into my body, holding myself accountable, and I'm loving it. I'm loving the feeling of it already. I love finding new recipes and just meal ideas that I can implement are really easy and sort of making little steps to eating more vegetables, eating more fruit, eating more sources of protein that are going to benefit me, make me feel good, give me longevity and just overall well-being in body, mind and health. So I'm really excited for today. If you didn't already know, I am vegetarian, I have been for a long while, but not deeping that too much. It's all about just like recipes for me. I'm finding foods that I love, and by no means is this a follow what I eat in a day video. It's just sort of like a sharing documentary of what I'm eating today, and like I said, it's going to be like a chill vlog in between as well, what I get up to. But first of all, I thought I'd share with you what I got from Protein World. So I actually have had a lovely box from them before, and I actually have a discount code of them which I'll leave down below if you're interested in any of their stuff. But they sent me some goodies out, so I'm really excited to show you them. So thank you so much to Protein World. Let's cover up my dress, Protein World. And yeah, they've got really good products. I love their mug cakes, I love their protein porridge, I love their shakes. They're really nice just for upping your protein and just for like little desserts that you can bulk out with lots of fruit and save you a little bit of snacking in between meals. You can pick up one of their shakes and it just really helps between meals. And as a meal itself, you can actually use them as a meal replacement, but I don't use them for that purpose. I like to use them as snacks. I find that works for me, but they can work for anyone in any ways, shape or form. Yeah, I thought I'd share with you what they kindly sent me. So first of all, we have protein pasta. This is the Italian penne. It's actually 100% protein pasta. It's 30 grams protein per serving. It's reduced carbohydrate and it's actually made from pea protein as well. So they have some really gorgeous recipes on their Instagram and on their website. So it's a really good place for recipes. I'm really excited to actually try this. And like in this picture, they've got a lovely like little mushroom sauce or something over the top, some nuts, and yeah, it looks really, really yummy. Excited to try that out. And then we have mug cake. This is the chocolate caramel chew flavour. Their mug cakes are really, really nice. Just go for one of these if you're looking for like a little snack or dessert. I feel like they're a really good tie over snack, and also they're low sugar and a good source of protein. So something like this, it's only 135 calories. We're not all about the calories, but they're really good just for like a low calorie snack compared to like if you went for something less substantial with higher density of calories. So something like this, bulk it out with some fruit, anything that you enjoy. And yeah, I thought it was a really, really good little snack or dessert, and their mug cakes are just insane. But yeah, I really like their products. They're so nice. And time for the most important meal of the day, which is breakfast. I'm really excited to make that with some coffee. By the way, excuse my egghead, this is literally how I wear my hair like all the time now, just because I'm growing it out, and the cozy little cardigan, because like I said, it's a cozy little day off with me. I've got a few chores to do today which I might like pop in and tell you about. But yeah, time for breakfast. Breakfast is ready. So here I've just made some porridge from the Protein World Slender porridge. I've never been a fan of fine porridge, but this porridge is so yummy. I'm quite like a steel cut oats type of girl, but this is so, so yummy and I've been loving it. I've literally been raving it to everyone in the family. I'm like, you need to try it, take a bowl, I don't mind. So here is the porridge. It's super yummy. So this is 50 grams of the porridge, some sour cherries, which are actually from Lidl. I'm not sure if they do them anymore, but I did stock up on them. And then we have some powdered sweetener just in the middle. Then usually I have some cinnamon, but I've run out of cinnamon as well. So here is my yummy breakfast. Doesn't look that appetizing, but these sour cherries just make this, and it's such a shame that they're hard to find now. I feel like everyone's just gone and bought them and stocked up on them. But let's go ahead. So yummy. So I'm just gonna have my breakfast now. I will catch up on some of my favourite YouTubers just while I'm eating this. Then I'm gonna hoover my room, plan out what content I need to do, and go for a little walk I think this afternoon before planning out my lunch. I feel like I definitely have a lot more time to plan my meals when I'm having a day off, or I'll batch create a meal. So that's really handy. I actually have a food shop coming Sunday, a really nice healthy food shop with lots of recipes. That's a really good tip as well. I'm actually picking what I want to eat that week, as in 2 meals that will last me a few days. I'll make them, and that's like half the job done, because you know you want this meal and this meal, and you can have that over 3 days. So that's 2 meals, that's 6 meals. So that's all your dinners basically covered until the next Sunday. And then you've just got breakfast, which I always have my porridge. I'm consistent with my porridge every single morning. And then lunch, I'll just have a light lunch really. Lunch is really light for me. And yeah, I'm gonna plan out some bits while I'm catching up on my favourite YouTubers while eating my breakfast. So it's a little bit later. Remember to drink your water, cold water, so refreshing. I remember I got asked a question the other day, like, what is your most favourite drink? I love water, but it's been about half an hour to an hour because I've hoovered my room, I've been watching a bit of YouTube. I love watching Plentiful Kiki. I love watching her just because she's all about low density foods but high volume, so a lot of fruits, a lot of vegetables and all that jazz. But I'm just getting a little bit bored, so I'm going to go out for a walk. I'm actually going to go see my nan because I've actually made some homemade vegan cheese sauce, which is literally made from vegetables. And hopefully she'll give me some cauliflower, and then we can sort of exchange so I can have some cauliflower cheese tonight. Just popped on a cozy little jacket to go burn off some energy with a nice walk. I feel it's so rare that I go for walks now just round where I live, and I used to love it during, like, you know, lockdown, stuff like that, because it's such a lovely area. So nice when you have a day off to explore and just appreciate where you are. But I'm going to go to my nan's, drop off some homemade cheese sauce I actually made. In exchange for some, hopefully she'll give me back some cauliflower so I can have some cauliflower with the cheese sauce tonight for tea. But I'm going to burn off some energy before lunchtime and drop off that for her. And yeah, really enjoy this little day off I'm having. I've done a little bit of planning today of content, and I love creating YouTube ideas on my day off. But yeah, I'm going to go and burn off some energy. For lunch today, I have made, which took quite a while to make, these potato quesadillas. So in here we have potato, onion, spinach with 2 wraps, just to make it a quesadilla. Pan fried them with cheese sauce. I will leave the recipe down below because I found it on a website. I'm really looking forward to seeing what these taste like. I feel like I did mess up the recipe slightly, but that's fine. We're here to learn, but these look really, really yummy. I'm excited to have these now. It literally feels like I've been slaving away in that kitchen for hours. I've been in there for 45 minutes. But because of the washing up, it feels like I've been in there for ages, because I am that person that I will not eat my food until the washing up is done. I don't know about anyone else, but I like to wash up as I go along. I like it all done at the end so I can settle and relax and have my food. That is just me. I like to be neat and tidy, so God send me a washing machine one day and I could just put it all in the washing machine and just chill, have that chill mode on. Anyway, I am ready to chill now, and I'm with my quesadillas. I don't know if you can see the steam coming off of them, but I'm just gonna continue watching some more recipe ideas and whatever I fancy, but I'm really excited to dig into this. So let's go ahead and have a little try. Do you know what I should have done? I should have put the sauce on, like, in a dipping pot so I can dip the quesadillas and just eat them with my hands, but oh well. So I'm really looking forward to just like the potato. It just sounded so yummy, like potato quesadillas. I feel like it doesn't look that appetizing on a fork, so maybe I should have just done it like you can eat them with your hand. Oh my god. But yeah, I'm gonna have my quesadillas now. I did go see my nan and give her the cheese sauce, delivered the cheese sauce to her in exchange for some cauliflower. So I've got that later for tea tonight. So I'm gonna make cauliflower with the cheese sauce. I've actually got some macaroni left over, which I made with the cheese sauce. I'm obsessed with this cheese sauce. So that was nice. So I've got some cauliflower for my tea later. I'm gonna make cauliflower cheese. I've actually got leftover macaroni, so I'm going to mix that all together, have a jack potato on the side and have that ready to go to my mum's house because I'm going to go see my mum later. But for the time being, I'm just going to go through a bit of editing that I need to do for Sunday's video, which you would have already seen. It's my H&M clothing haul, and apart from that, I'm going to chill, do some bits and eat my lovely quesadillas. Snack time. So I'm going to have a banana. Sorry for the awful angle before, by the way. Yeah, that wasn't too great. We're gonna have a snack on this banana. I'm gonna prep my dinner for when I head out to my mum's house. I can even have yogurt with this as well. I always have a stomach for something sweet, but I think I'm just gonna have it by itself, chill some more and make my dinner for later. Final meal of the day. We have this jack potato and macaroni cheese dinner. So this is macaroni, cheese sauce, spinach, onion and cauliflower rolled into one. I actually have leftovers for this for lunch tomorrow at work, and then a jack potato. So really looking forward to this. I'll just put some cling film over it and take it on over to my mum's house later. My dinner's all ready to take to my mum's house. But I thought I'd quickly mention the cookbook that I'm on about. It's called Plentifully Lean. It's got amazing recipes in here. You don't have to be plant-based to enjoy any of these recipes, or vegetarian or anything like that. It's just really good if you want to get a lot of veggies in. You're being more mindful about just food and like what you can get out of your food. And there's so many lovely recipes in here, like these enchiladas. This is one that I have added all the ingredients to my cart for Sunday's delivery of food shopping. There's so many lovely desserts in here. If you're a sweet tooth, like, oh my god. Mini oat bars, date candy bars, and oh my god, I'm gonna make this on Sunday. Chocolate chip cookie dough bites made out of chickpeas. Oh my god, so many lovely recipes. Go check out this book. Also, her website is amazing for any recipes. So I'm really excited for this journey, just keeping on making lovely meal ideas, and hopefully I can share more with you if you're interested. But yeah, this is just a cozy little chill one. Thank you so much for watching if you made it this far. And my next video, I'm going to do the HomeSense, the new in. I did actually go into HomeSense, but I got too nervous to film because it was so busy. But I'm going to go ahead and force myself to go in and just be unapologetically confident and show you what's new in, because there's some lovely pieces, or even if I just do a voiceover, because I want to show you all the new in bits. They're so cute. And yeah, show you around. But thank you so much for watching this far with this video. I love and appreciate you all so much. Let me know if you want to see more of these, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.
Someday soon I'm gonna make